Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, viewers. Inda Novitasari will accompany you all to listen and letters and hottest news around our country, Indonesia, and abroad. And here is the news. Lightning is a sudden shock, very fast and electric force between the cloud and ground or from cloud to cloud. And this is news for us. Lightning is a sudden shock, very fast and electric force between the cloud and ground or from cloud to cloud. The speed of lightning or thunder can be several miles long. It is so hot with average temperatures of 35,000 degrees Celsius that the surrounding air suddenly expands with a loud explosion and sounds that is called thunder. Lightning occurs in doesn't rain when a storm or in humid air is exposed to high altitudes. This is a type of cloud called cumulonimbus. When the cloud rises high enough, the moisture freezes and ice crystal form and snowflake, starting to fall, turning to rain on the way down. This math is more humid rain hot air and is this friction between those that generate static electricity. Cold filled with electricity, it will be thrown as lightning. Then suddenly lightning came with rain, and his sound was very loud and luminous. Okay, viewers, Inda Novitasari with Adelia Rohman, Gina Sonia say thank you so much for your attention and good luck for you all. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you tomorrow and bye.